friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve grayed out on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. After that, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click. As you see on Telegram app, you will go to force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Telegram. If you find here update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.